Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 8. Today we are going to define the box shadow. In the last lecture we have discussed about the text shadow. So similar to the text shadow, you can also add the box shadow for your element. Okay, now I'm going to create a div so you can guys easily understand how can you define or create the box shadow. I'm saying box shadow. Fine. So now I'm going to call this class in my CSS. Okay, now I'm saying height is 200 pixels. Why? Because we are not using the content inside our div. So that's why we are defining the height. Okay, now I'm saying box shadow, and here I'm saying 10 pixel and 10 pixel, or I'm saying 8 pixel and 8 pixel. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, this is the shadow, and if I going to paste some content, here is content. Go to the page, refresh the page, and also I'm saying P, here is my para. Okay, fine. And now we are going to uncome. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the shadow. Similar to the text, you can also add the color for your box shadow. So as you can see, this is the shadow you have just added. You can also use the RGB colors here, like RGB. Okay, now as you can see, we have just used the RGB colors. Let's suppose I'm saying get bootstrap. Here I'm going to select the RGB. It's 121, 82, 171. So 121, 82 and 171. Fine. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have just added the shadow. Now if I'm saying 2 pixel, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's showing you the blur. Let's suppose I'm saying 18 pixel. So fine, this is your shadow. Normally we use the online tools to create the text and box shadow. I'm saying box shadow generator. So just click on the first link. So now as you can see, you don't need to define your code. So here these are the settings. Fine. Let's suppose I'm saying that I'm going to use this color, and here this is the shadow. Fine. Okay, now that's fine. I'm going to use this one. Fine. Okay, so this is the opacity. Fine. Now just copy the code and paste your code here. I'm going to comment this one so you can guys easily get the code. Paste this code here. And why we are using WebKit box? Because of the browser compatibility, we use the WebKit. So as you can see, this is the mouse box shadow. Okay, so in this way you can add the box shadow for your element, any element, either it's a image, either it's a cards, either it's h1 or whatever element you have defined. So I hope guys you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.